we are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing names of celebrities, some of the most mispronounced ones too, so make sure to stay tuned for those. He is a Danish actor, and particularly known for his roles in the Game of Thrones series. So how do you say it? In Danish, his name is said something along the lines of Nikolaj Coster-Waldau. Nikolaj Coster-Waldau. Now, in English, this is generally said, and it's really quite different how it is said in English. Nikolaj Coster-Waldau. Nikolaj Coster-Waldau. Although in Danish again, Nikolaj Coster-Waldau. And now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting names of celebrities whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. Many get them wrong. You won't after watching those. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.